We sort of kept a lot of sheep that we probably shouldn't have. The vet earlier there this morning. Hey Carly, you gotta learn to jump. One of you heroes go first, the rest of you follow. I mean, I know the camera never does it justice, but that's got to be Struth. Foggy this morning. Well, good morning everyone. What is going on today? Another glorious day here on the farm. Just been, as you saw, it was pretty foggy this morning, so I've moved my singles into a new paddock. Singles. What am I talking about? Twins into a new paddock, and then now I just moved the singles. Didn't film much this morning because simply couldn't see much. So yeah, I did that. As you saw in the last video, we got all the stud lambs marked now, which is good. Another job ticked off the list. They're all a bit confused at the moment. They don't know which one's theirs. Just get them across the creek. Push them up. Hey Maggie. Hey Mag's back. Push him up. I think that's actually Sean the potty at the back. She had a lamb. She was before the old YouTube time, so yeah, she's an older potty, not Jack or Jill. Well, obviously Jack wouldn't be having a lamb, I hope. Here, hop up. What else are we doing today? We've got Dad's just up at Doughboy mustering all the merino ewes up there, and we'll give them a drench and a 6-in-1. They're getting close to lambing, so this afternoon Dad will have to go and get some 6-in-1 from town, and yeah, a few supplies like that. There's about 700 up there, so it won't take all afternoon, but yeah, I've got a few other jobs to do as well. Move some more sheep and some bulls, so. Right, so I've just come out, I'm just gonna feed, these are sort of all our dry ewes, you know, Dorsets, Merinos and crossbreds, so they're gonna be sold this week. Thinking this week. We'll see how we go. We're marking calves Wednesday, which is when the yass sale is, but if I leave early enough, I'll get back in time. So I'll probably take most of these on Wednesday. So I'm sure there's quite a number of people in the same boat as us, but you know, after the drought, we sort of kept a lot of sheep that we probably shouldn't have, so we kept a lot of our dries. But now we've had a couple of good years and we've sort of got our numbers back up, or getting them back up to where they should be. Going a bit harder on things like dry ewes this year and ewes that have lambed and lost. That's why all these are going to market. I think there's maybe, can't actually remember how many's here. There might be 40 or 50. Well, I remember how I said I just moved the singles off the ryegrass here. Well, better sack the musterer. Someone missed one. Just taking her back over here now. I'll feed these ewes as well. Right, yeah, so Dad's just gonna head into town and get some, what's he got to get? Some multi-min and some drench and 6-in-1. So he's gonna go to the tip while he's going in there. Usually just use these old bulker bags down the shetty to put all our rubbish in, and then it's easy, just lift it and put it on the back of the ute. Needs a bit of a wash after spreading that line. I wash the spreaders but not the tractor. Dogs are enjoying the sunshine on the back of the ute there. Windows need a clean, don't they? Well, Dad's off to town. As I said this morning, I'm gonna go move some bulls now. There's a few heifers in with them to keep them company, because they're in with the sale rams and don't want them. I put a bale of hay in with them the other day and I don't want them eating the hay. They don't need it, so we'll get them out of there. Oh. Morning, lads. As you can see, his eye. See, I rang the vet earlier there this morning, see if he'd come out and potentially drain it or do something. He has looked at it before when it was a lot smaller, and thought it would potentially burst tear duct. Don't really know, but it's just got ever so slowly bigger, very slowly over time. Don't know whether he bumped it as a calf or what, but it's just getting a bit too big and want to try and do something about it. He's not rubbing it, or it doesn't seem to be annoying him, but yeah, it'd be good to get it looked at anyway. Come on, lads. Oh, that's a good start, Lockie. Come on, fellas. I might have put the camera down. I can't do this with one hand. Come on, fellas. Carly, come here. Come behind. There we go. Not so bad. Just out here having a look at this year's sale rams. We had to buy a footy on the weekend, and one of my mates from footy was after a bit of work, so we got these in and crushed and needle drenched and weighed them and put it on their tags, because these rams hadn't been run through the handler yet and through the tag reader. So that's what we did. They're looking pretty well. So they always plateau a little bit at this time of year, obviously, because it's winter time and it gets pretty cold here trying to grow meat sheep, so they always slow down a bit now, but that's why we're giving them a bit of loose and hay just to try and keep them going. Sure they don't go backwards. It'll be interesting to see, because obviously weigh them through the handler and then we'll weigh them again when we get them in next, and it'll tell us exactly what every single sheep's done, so might even be able to select a few that are doing really well at this time of year. We sort of breed for easy doing type sheep, so, and in our country, you know, a bit harsher climate, you can definitely see the difference between the easy doers and the ones that, you know, probably don't do as well. So Max, sit please. You wait. Sit. Muzzle time. Poor old Gully. Poor old Gully do. Yeah. Come on. Hey Carly. Hey Carly. You gotta learn to jump. You're going that way, righto. Alrighty, so as you can see, we got the single lambers in. We're just giving them 6 in 1 and a drench before lambing. Come here. Wait. Go back. They look good, as they should. They're only singles, but they are fine little merino, so. Bad. Sit. Hey Carly. Carly not there. Come here. Good girl. Hey Carly, come here. You can sit back here and watch. Come here. Come here further. Come on. Sit, please. Sit. Sit. Good girl. Come on, girls. That's it. One of you heroes go first, the rest of you follow. So Dad got the lambs in, we're going to drench the merino ewe and weather the lambs now. Get them out of the road. You wait, Maggie. Back. Steady, Ali. Steady. Looks like Dad got a few molasses blocks for the cattle, I think. 100 kilos. Gee, you wouldn't think there'd be 100 there, would you? Oh, excuse me. Hell, what are you doing? Tell you what, straight away reversing then, I'd noticed that Dad's ute doesn't have a reversing camera. Makes such a difference, eh? I'm just going around. Dad's just walking around the laneway behind him, making sure They all come out of the laneway into their paddock. We'll give them a quick count. Yeah, put them in their paddock, I suppose. Just in the process of getting all accurate counts on the sheep up here, because we ended up getting AgriWebb for this place too, because they're two different properties to home. We didn't want them on the home property, so we got AgriWebb for here too. Only a couple of weeks ago, just because we found it a really good tool for home and thought it would be worth getting up here. Don't hit the post. Should be coming around here any second, I would think. Wait there, please. I mean, I know the camera never does it justice, but that's got to be one of the things that just never ceases to amaze me every morning and night, is the sunrise and sunset out here. Just never gets old. Did some good work today, yeah. Anyway guys, I might leave it there. It's 5 o'clock. I'm just going to do a bit more on the dog cage here. You can see I'm getting there. Yeah, I won't show you too much because I'll show you at the end, but I think that's going to be plenty for another video. We're going to do a nice day. As you can see, I've still got my jumper off, which is great. Yeah, great for this time of year. Anyway, Carly and I might say goodbye, and we shall we'll catch you in the next one. Alrighty, see ya. Bye. These two must be getting along well. Hey, Carls. Good girl.